Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today we are going to be doing a review of the new in 2021 Sara Wheelson. Now, as I think a lot of people know, I really appreciate the camera cars because it's interesting to show how different cars would have jobs, and also because they're really cool, just for also other reasons. So, on the back, it'll show you the other cars you can get with it that came from the same movie. You did not. You're a living lie. I have him. That guy's over there. And then the three piston cup racers, Todd Marcus, Easy Oaks, and then you forgot your name. But tomorrow... No, not tomorrow. There's nothing really coming tomorrow. Now, I didn't mention this in my next video, which will be coming out on Halloween, if you celebrate Halloween, or October 31st, if you don't. That I'm going to trust the new for November. We're going to have new video November, or I'm going to try and get at least 2 videos out a week. And we're going to see him. We're going to have some fun with it. So, I will get this guy, well, this person unboxed. So let's get to the review of this car. Now, it's a standard, normal car. Nothing real, it's made in Thailand. Nothing real interesting about the design of the car. It's a standard car. But it's just cool how they've given you different cameras for almost every single picture car you got so far. You got a camera with a flash bulb up there. You got a camera with a flash bulb over here. And then you got this. It's an actual video recording camera, which is really appreciative. Now, the eyepiece does not match up where the eye would go, so that's kind of weird, but... And I love how they're not all RSN, they're just cars with cameras, which you gotta appreciate. So, anyway, thanks for watching today's video. I know they're short, I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure out a way to make these things longer, and... Like I said, I'm trying for a Smashville Saga in November, which I think I know what the name is gonna be. So... If I can get a compelling story, there will be one. If not, it might be December. I'm not doing every month because those things, I don't have time anymore for every month. And I think the series might be ending here soon because there are some parts that I want to wrap up. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.